Here you go, a cuteness video. I love it. They love their herd bath. Sorry, bad camera work. They love their herd bath, and they splash onto the orchid. They eat the orchid too, but yeah, I rotate them. But, oh, they just seem to love it in there. It's fantastic. They drink. Oh, here we go. Here comes his friend. A romantic bath for two. Oh, it's a beautiful thing. Watching these guys at work, just so fantastic. Yeah, they drink, they bath, they in it, and then at the end of the week, or not week, but from time to time, I take the water out and yeah, feeds the plants. Everyone wins. Change the water, and they just love drinking and bathing from it, as you can tell. And I love it because it gives me hours of pleasure. I hope it does the same for you. They're just cute to watch. So yeah, like I said, they're splashing it onto the orchid, and the orchid hanging below. So it's a win-win. And then by not too many hours to go, and the sun will pour in. It'll warm them up, the water up for them. The orchid gets its light. And they get to enjoy the sunset. So everybody wins, which is what I love about nature. You give nature, and it gives back to you tenfold. Food for thought. Everyone from Animals Online, have an awesome day. I hope you enjoy these videos as much as I enjoy making them for you. Cuteness overload. Could watch it all day. He's really getting into it. It's a beautiful thing. And here comes his friend again. Okay, everyone. Have an awesome day. Bye for now.